Today, we're unboxing and giving you our first look at the brand new Poco C71, Poco's latest budget-friendly smartphone that promises some serious bang for your buck. Let's dive right in. Inside the box, we have the Poco C71 itself, a USB charging cable, power adapter, and a SIM card ejector tool. No fancy extras, just the essentials. Looking at the design, the Poco C71 has a sleek and minimalistic feel. It sports a 6.88-inch HD Plus display, perfect for streaming and gaming on a budget. The matte finish on the back feels nice, and the camera setup is clean with a dual-camera array. Under the hood, we've got a Unisoc T7250 processor, paired with up to 4 and 6 gigabytes of RAM. So, whether you're multitasking or casually gaming, this phone holds up pretty well. For photography, the Poco C71 comes with a 32-megapixel main camera, delivering solid shots in well-lit conditions. Sure, it's not flagship level, but it gets the job done for daily use. One of the highlights? The massive 5,200 milliamp hour battery. With light to moderate use, you're looking at a full day of power without breaking a sweat. Overall, the Poco C71 feels like a solid budget option. It's got a good display, decent performance, and a reliable camera, all for an affordable price. Stay tuned for our full review soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.